So in the previous video, we created a web app that helps you analyze images using Google Gemini's API. So I wanted to push Claude plus Replit, combination to a little more. So today we are going to build a screen recorder app that will also record your camera, just like what we are doing right now with this tutorial. So basically, the idea came from the problem that whenever somebody's looking forward to start a new channel or something related to tutorial that they have to record their screen and camera for. So the first thing that they do is like a lot of research, and at the end of the day, either the solutions are not great or the solutions are pretty expensive. So I thought, why not give this a try and try to build something uh, using Claude and Replit. So let's get started. So this is a new instance that I just started on Claude that I just said hey, and now we are going to give this prompts and some instructions to start building the application. So the process that I follow is like, first of all, tell it what we are looking forward to make. Then I give it a little context. I tell it the kind of things I need, and then the last thing is I tell it the kind of limitations I have and the environment that I'm using, so that Claude can give us the information accordingly. So let's get started. Uh, so we'll start with a very simple prompt, and then we'll build on this. Uh, I'm not sure if you have noticed this or not, that in a lot of application, when you are replicating your screen, so there is a chance of screen mirroring, like what you have must have seen in Google Meets. So I'm going to tell this thing to Claude as well, that please make sure that we don't have this problem. uh, I'm just telling it that I'm a no coder, so it has to give me the entire thing every time I'm looking for a code. It has to give me the entire code rather than just giving me the snippet that I have to search and replace. So I'm asking it to give me the entire thing. I'm not a coder. I use the politest language because I do not want to take any chances, like AI going rogue, and it turns the into Skynet shit or something. So in that case, I want it to say that this guy was good to us, so let's not harm him or whatever. Please give me. I think it's good enough to begin with. Let's get started. And while it is doing its work and its coding and whatnot, let's go to Replit and start a create a new REPL. That's just you just have to sign up, and you get the Replit account. All you have to do is just create REPL. Choose no, not Python. Let's go for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, the basic one, and this should be screen recording. Give it any name and create the REPL. And while it is setting this up, you don't have to do anything with REPL. That's the best thing. I mean, I'm using it for the second time ever, and it is like the best thing that could have happened to a non-coder like us. So you don't have to do anything with Replit. It just choose the kind of language that you're looking for to build your code in, and it'll do everything on its own. Like it'll whatever we are supposed to do, it'll just go ahead and do it for us. So possibly we must have our code right here. Very simple looking code. I just copy it and I paste it in the HTML, because this is the HTML code we asked for, and run it. I'll open it in a new tab. So now you can see that our app is ready. We have screen and camera recorder. Start recording. If I start recording, it'll ask me to the usual things that you see. Just start, allow it for every visit, or if you want to allow it every single time. So you can see my screen at the right bottom corner. The previous one was in the left bottom corner, now it is in the right bottom corner. If I go to different screens, oh, it is not overlapping this one. So that is one con that I noticed. If I go to let's say some other pages and look for things like this, the camera isn't going over other screens. It's sticking with this one. And let's see what happens when we stop the recording. I'm pretty sure that it'll go ahead and save the recording right away for us, and we can just go ahead and play it. That the video is playing, that you can see. We just recorded. Now we'll go ahead and tell it what needs to be done in order to fix this. So the issues that we ran into were, let's go to Claude. uh hey, the camera module was only on the the second thing I would like is a pause button. Pause slash resume button. uh what else? Let's try and rename the clips while before it is getting saved. What else? What do I want? I think it's good enough for now. So it's coding, and all we have to do is just copy paste. Although it will not replace the applications like Loom or something, because they have a lot of functionality, and possibly we would have to go ahead and create a Chrome extension for that. However, in order to get the job done, this is good enough. This is a good enough code. So let's copy this, go to our Replit, and select it, paste it, and just open in a new tab. Now we have start recording, pause, stop recording, and then uh, where do I want the you know let's say I want to keep the camera at the top right. I start recording, do this. I should see the camera right here, and it is possibly using my FaceTime camera. So it's working, and let's say if we can pause it. Okay, I'm able to pause. I'm not sure if this will come to uh, but not in this one, but yeah, our original video that'll come. So it is continuing to. Can we move the camera? Yeah, we can move the camera while it is recording. And talking about other video windows, yeah, it is still not going over them. So that is a shame. Let's fix that. But before that, let's stop the recording, and oh, it didn't give us the option to save it by the name. So these are the two things that we need to fix. How does it look? Yeah, this looks fine to me. Okay, let's go to Claude and give it new instructions. Camera is still not. I think we might have to create the Chrome extension for that. Hovering over other apps. Just ask for the limitation of the application that we are looking forward to build, so that we don't waste a lot of time giving it the instructions again and again. Let's say, yeah, will we be able to achieve this with the current setup, or do we have to create a Chrome extension for that? And the second thing, we want us to rename the file, and it got saved automatically. Let's see what does it have to say. Okay. uh, Camera hovering over other apps. You are correct that with the current web-based system, we cannot make the camera feed hover other. So that was I was thinking that that could be the possible reason, and yes, that was the reason. And file renaming, I apologize for a feature without the being okay requested. So it had this, but it didn't work. Let's try this again. Start recording again, entire screen share. Yeah, working perfectly fine. Oh, should be behind this. Yeah, great. So I'm able to pause, I'm able to resume, and I'm able to stop the okay. So still not asking me to rename the file. I cannot rename the file. Okay, so let's get over. Please do let me know in the comment box, if you see this video. Just let me know, if you want me to go ahead and build an advanced version of it, where I can, where I can go ahead and build the Chrome extension that does all the things that all the cool uh, screen recording apps do. So if something like that interests you, just let me know, and I'll be more than happy to build that, whether over the video, or just like that. That doesn't matter. But if you are looking forward to have something like that, I would be more than happy to build that for you. uh, did it run? Okay, start recording, and I'll just stop recording. Yep, now it is asking us to uh, renamed file. So there you have it. Now we have the file, which is by the name goes by the name of renamed file recording. So this is exciting. It is what, like 5, 10, 10 minutes, 15 minutes at the tops, and we are able to create a utility app that probably everybody who's looking forward to create tutorial or any kind of screen recording that they can send out to other people. And I think it is exciting. So probably I'll work more on it, and probably I'll make the Chrome extension and let you know about it. So please do let me know what you think about this app in the comment box. I hope you subscribe if you like what you see and or want to see more of it in the future. Until then, take care. Bye bye.